Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Questrade pricing works for ETFs. Questrade has a straightforward pricing model for ETFs, which can be very attractive for investors, especially those who trade frequently. The key takeaway is that buying ETFs is commission-free. This means you don't pay a direct commission fee when you place a buy order for an ETF listed on a Canadian or US stock exchange. However, there are still some costs to be aware of. When you sell an ETF, you will pay a commission. This is typically a flat rate, with a minimum and maximum charge. It's important to check the current fee schedule for the exact amount. In addition to commissions on selling, there are also other potential fees. One of the most common is an electronic communication network or ECN fee. ECNs are intermediaries that facilitate trades, and they sometimes charge a small fee when an order removes liquidity from the market. This fee can be charged on both buy and sell orders, though it's typically a very small amount and doesn't apply to every trade. Another fee to consider is a currency exchange fee if you are trading ETFs in a currency different from your account's base currency. Questrade also charges a small fee for all sales of U.S. securities, which is collected by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. So, in summary, while buying ETFs on Questrade is commission-free, be mindful of the commission for selling, potential ECN fees, and currency exchange fees, as these can add to your overall cost. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.